Welcome to day 2 of the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful airport English through a real conversation, simple explanations, and quick practice. Excuse me, where is the check-in desk?
It's over there near gate 12.
Thank you. This is my first flight.
No problem. May I see your passport and ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase and 1 backpack.
Great. Please put your suitcase here.
Okay.
Your flight boards at 8:30. Don't be late.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice trip.
Nice work! Now let's learn the important airport words one by one with easy explanations and visuals. Excuse me? Yes. Used to politely get someone's attention. Airport. A place where airplanes arrive and leave. Check-in.
Check.
The place where passengers register before a flight. Desk. A table or counter where staff work. Gate. The place where passengers enter the airplane. Flight. A trip on an airplane. Passport. An official document for international travel. Ticket. A document showing you can travel. Luggage. Bags and suitcases for travel. Suitcase. A large travel bag with clothes inside.
Backpack.
A bag carried on your back. Trip. A journey to another place. Help. Assistance from another person. Late. Arriving after the correct time. Boards. The time passengers enter the airplane. Put. To place something somewhere. Problem. A difficulty or issue. Travel. Going from one place to another. Airplane. A vehicle that flies in the sky. International. Between different countries. Window seat. A seat next to the airplane window. You learned cafe English in day 1 and airport English in day 2. Now get ready for day 3, where you'll learn how to speak English while shopping in a real store.